Welcome to my room and my junk. This is a Russian home that I stayed in during 2015. Belongs to my friend Katya's family. Oh, hello, that's me. Her dad and family members built it, and it's 2 stories now. There is even a bathroom upstairs. That was new. I stayed here before college, and this video I took after college. I had my own bathroom because everyone used the other ones. We had 3 bedrooms upstairs. Again, that was all so new because this house has been a work in progress for like 15 years and really a lot of progress. You got this pretty guest room with these cool covers over the cabinets. I thought those were neat. You can see over there we've got lots of berries and fruit drying. Everybody does that, even young people. Everybody gathers stuff and dries it, and then you just eat it throughout the year. We were drawing on the walls. They really like art. There's the garden. All of that is their garden. And then it's a really new neighborhood. Lots of new builds like this that people just work on for years. Cute doors up here. That's Katya and her brother's room there. Books. And then they use some cool wood that they found on the property or somewhere nearby. Spice things up a little bit. And then downstairs, it's still a little bit rough, but it's always a work in progress. The house is really big, though. It's really nice. Bigger than a traditional Russian house, or maybe taller. They usually have these deep windowsills. There's the garden again. These deep windowsills to let in a lot of light and have a lot of plants growing. That's really typical. There's the dining table. We did lots of stuff there, crafts and, eating. Oh, and Katya's mom is really into working with kids. There's always something for a play. You can still there's still like plywood and stuff around, but it's all coming along. There are lots of walls that look really nice. That area is still just the workshop sort of thing. And they do a lot of traveling around the region and other parts, other oblasts. I really love magnets. So cute. I don't need the notepad. Look somewhere else. Okay, traditional cook pots. And yeah, the kitchen used to be in another room. Now it's in here with running water. That's really nice. Plumbing's kind of new. Oh, that thing is part of the original build. Yeah, this is where the sink used to be. It used to be just this little part of the house when they were really getting going on construction. That used to be the dining table, that tiny thing. I still got the stove in here. Oh, it's me. And we got our shelves and junk. Yeah, this used to be where we slept. I slept in the couch. Katya and her brother slept in these other 2 things. And her parents were out in like another area. Yeah, more plants. Her brother's accordion. It was such a nice day that day. We've got our icon. The funny wallpaper I just love. Hi, neighbors. And more art on the walls because you can never have too much. That ladder thing, that's for drying clothes. Lots of places have that. Books. Gotta have your books. And again, this thing here is part of the original construction. I think it was an oven, but now it's just support walls. And of course, they carved in it to make it cute because you gotta make it cute. Most bathrooms, especially if you only have one, are separated into a toilet room like this. Optional sink. And then you have like a bath room, which has the bath, usually with like a hose in it. And then you got your sink. So cute, shell-shaped, adorable. Yep. Normal bathroom. Oh, hello. And here I think we're looking out the south window. You can see a little bit of the sun porch there. Very cute. That's how you come in the house. Got this big door here to lock everybody out. And adorable wallpaper. Yeah, can't believe we used to live in just this one small chunk of the house. Now I've got my own room. Yay.